A very cheerful and serene morning to our revered principal ma'am, esteemed coordinator ma'am, activity in charge teachers, and my dear companions. This morning we gathered to reflect upon a value that enriches lives, builds relationships, and nurtures humanity. The virtue of sharing. Sharing is not merely the act of giving away. It is a gesture of spreading kindness, joy, and compassion. Let us begin our assembly with our prayer to seek divine blessings. Prayer is the song of the soul, the whisper of faith, and the beating of wisdom. So, let us join our hands, bow our heads, and join together in the morning prayer.
People and build a strong relationship. It shows that we care and that we believe everyone deserves kindness and happiness. Thank you and have a nice day.
Like a candle. When it lights another, it loses nothing but creates more brightness. Poetry is the rhythm of the heart and the melody of emotions. To celebrate today's theme, let us welcome Arna to recite a heartfelt poem on sharing.
Sharing is caring. To show you care for someone is to lend a helping hand. A need to be concerned for every woman, child and man. Share whatever you can to help someone in need. Then you will be happier and a better person indeed. When you share with others, you unselfishly give of yourself. Then love is given freely instead of sitting on a shelf. Hands that are always clenched can't ever get out. Ones that are open and give is what love is all about. Sharing is caring when given from the heart with pleasure. The good returns are many and the rewards are without measure. Goods given freely bring a smile to the needy person. Goods given freely bring a smile to the needy person. Holding back when you can give will only continue to worsen. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
The poem truly reminded us that when we share, we plant seeds of joy that blossom everywhere. The age of the world around us makes us responsible citizens to update us with the happenings across the globe. Let us welcome Adhiraj to present today's news headlines.
Everyone, today's news headlines are: NDA finalizes seat sharing for Bihar polls. BJP, JD to contest 101 seats each.
Words have the power to inspire, to awaken, and to guide us. To throw light on the essence of our sharing in our lives. Let us now listen to a short yet thought-provoking speech.
I invite Zoya to come forward and deliver a speech on the importance of sharing.
Importance of sharing. There is no joy in possession without sharing. Sharing is one of the greatest qualities we can learn in life. When we share, we are not just giving away something, but we are also spreading happiness, kindness, and love. Sharing isn't just a habit, it's a way of making the world a better and happier place. Thank you everyone for being patient listeners.
Sharing is not just giving things. It's about giving love, care, and knowledge.
Mother Teresa shared kindness with the poor and sick.
And Malala Yousafzai shared the power of education, fighting for every child's right to learn.
Through this skit, we will see how sharing makes the world brighter. Let's begin!
Full of lights, there was once a small flicker. A woman in white sari with blue borders who carried no wealth, no power, only love. She walked through dark lanes of pains, and wherever she stepped, Suffering turned into peace, tears into hope. Students, tell me, what happens when we light one candle from another? Yes, the light spreads, and that's exactly what Mother Teresa did. She became the first candle, and through her love, she lit thousands of hearts all over the world. Let's step into her story, a story not written with ink, but written with act of compassion. The streets of Kolkata. Approaching with a small basket.
Mother, why do you help us? You don't even know us.
Because when I see you, I see the face of God smiling back at me.
Please, I haven't eaten anything since morning. Please give me something to eat.
Don't worry, my child. Here is something for you to eat. God's love comes through sharing.
Even when she had little, she shared everything food, blanket, and above all, love. As Mother Teresa's mission of love and service touched many countless lives, the torch of courage was carried forward by another inspiring woman, a young girl who stood fearlessly for right to education. Let us now see Malala Yousafzai, the voice of every child's dream to learn, who turned her voice into a weapon, her courage into a symbol of hopes for millions. She spoke up fearlessly for girls' right to education. Let's have a look over her inspiring journey, a journey from fear to freedom, from silence to strength, from a school girl to a global symbol of love.
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास कोई अनवा हो जो खास खास आशा हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशा तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशा
Malala, why do you study every day when others says girls should not?
Because knowledge is like a light. If I share it, everyone will shine.
Malala used to help her friends in studies. Villagers entered.
What is this? Girls sitting with books again? Didn't we take
behind her back.
Uncle, we are only learning. Reading can't harm anyone.
Malala! You speak too much, girl. Why do you waste your time? Girls should stay home. These books will bring shame and trouble to your families. Go home at once.
No, learning is a right. If I stay silent, children will lose hope. I will share my knowledge with all.
Mother Teresa enters.
And I will share love. For what is knowledge without kindness, or kindness without courage? Every person has the right to dream and to fulfill them.
Two voices from different worlds carried one message. Sharing makes us stronger. Sharing love, knowledge, and courage can change the world. Mother Teresa shared love. Malala shared knowledge and courage. And together they remind us the smallest act of sharing can light up the world. Thank you.
Kindness from Mother Teresa and courage from Malala. Let us remember, when we share, we multiply happiness. Are you all ready to feel the beat and witness some amazing moves? Because our young performers are here to set the stage on fire with their energy and smiles. Let's cheer them on as they spread happiness through the language of dance.
छोटे छोटे
1,000 words. Our dancers have truly painted magic on stage. Let's give them a huge round of applause.